periodic table. Mendeleev took the atoms and he looked for patterns.
Good morning, Periodictopia. I'm Noah Bean, and I'm here with
Anna Felice and Katie.
And we're live from Studio C1 in Fletcher's Plaza. Today, we have interesting stories on the placement of certain types of elements, the difference between groups and periods, and how to tell the number of valence electrons. Now, for Anna to our first segment.
Thanks, Noah. Well, it's just in that the metals are found on the left of the stair-step line, which you can see here in blue. Non-metals are found to the right of the stair-step line, which you can see here in yellow, along with the noble gases, which are the farthest right group. And finally, we have the metalloids, which border the stair-step line. These are the green squares you can see here. And now you know where certain types of elements are found. Now let's go to Katie to hear about some interesting news on groups and periods.
Wow, Anna, that was very interesting. Thanks. Anyway, scientists have confirmed that the best two ways to locate elements are by their group and period. Both can be found throughout the entire periodic table, but their distinct difference is whether or not you are grouping them by their vertical columns or horizontal rows. The vertical columns you see are called groups. There are a total of 18 different groups among the entire periodic table. However, there are 7 periods. And now to Noah for fascinating news on valence electrons.
Thanks, Katie. Well, do I have news for you guys. Scientists have now made it possible to identify the number of valence electrons very easily. All you have to do is pay attention to the group number. For groups 1, 2, and 13 through 18, you pay attention to the rightmost number, which simply tells you the number of valence electrons the element has. So, for example, group 1 has 1 valence electron, group 2 has 2 valence electrons, and group 13 has 3 valence electrons. How exciting! Well, that's all we have for today.
Thanks for tuning in.
Bye!
The periodic table. Mendeleev took the atoms and he looked for patterns. The periodic table. In 1869,
Which you can see
he published
in
his design.
Blue here. Not black, it's blue. Go. Now, back to Katie with some interesting news on the groups and pyramids.
The periodic table.